Hey, what's going on? Justin from Blue Collar Survival again. I just want to do a little video on my Urban EDC bag. I actually updated it, so I just wanted to do a quick update video on it. Show you guys what I got going on in here. Alright, so let's run through this and see if I can keep from getting long-winded. So I got my cell phone, and I didn't show you guys this last time because I know some of you probably haven't seen through the reviews, but the tactical pen that I carry actually has a whistle, a glass breaker, and like I said, I don't remember if I put this in there or not last time, and it has a ferro rod with, you got your striker right there. There you go. So I thought I'd show that because I don't remember if I put that in there last time with that, so go ahead and show that. And it's just a few little minor things I kind of changed up, added, removed. So I've added a sewing kit, which I can also use as a super kit. Instead of having my pills in a bag, I shrunk it down. I got my Rolaids in here, and this is your aspirin. I can't even open these stupid things. Aspirin, ibuprofen, and Benadryl, instead of just in a bag. I've got about 30 feet of paracord here, and I just wrapped it up. I just had it kind of wound up, and I actually just kind of did this with the millipede knot to kind of condense it a little bit. And this is actually a quick deploy. All I have to do is pull this ring right here, and the whole thing comes untied. A little first aid kit. We added a better pry bar. Lighter. Added chapstick this time. I didn't have that last time. Of course, my Leatherman Wave. Gotta have my multi-tool. Bandana, you can use for tourniquet or water filtration or rack, anything, you know, you can use it as a bandage even. Good old chem light, just in case flashlights and stuff don't work. I carry a mini screwdriver with 10 different bits, mainly for knife maintenance and some other stuff. I had a Phoenix LD20 flashlight, and I actually shrunk down to a smaller flashlight just to kind of minimize space. Let's see, we had the charger last time. Always carry my little pocket charger. Like I said, this is an urban carry. Charger. And I had the duct tape wrapped around a card last time, but I actually added to it. I probably have right around maybe 15 to 20 feet of duct tape. And I suppose lastly, my notes. I like to have it. You know, there's a lot of times I'm out and about and I want to write something down, and I ain't never got nothing to write down on, so do a notepad in there. Alright guys, so like I said, I just wanted to give you guys just a quick rundown. I already did my Urban EDC bag video last month, but I just wanted to kind of give you guys an update. There was just a few little changes. Like I said, I took some things out, shrunk some things up, lightened it up, and I have been asked by some people, do I carry this on my belt? It can be carried on your belt, but I do not carry this on my belt. It's generally in the car truck with me, or I just carry it in hand when I go places, and then, you know, put it down wherever I'm sitting. Alright everybody, this is Justin from Blue Collar Survival. Thank you guys for all your support. My new subscribers, I want to thank you guys for coming on over and checking me out and supporting me, and definitely, like I said, my loyal subscribers, I want to thank you. I can't even thank you guys enough. Yeah, I'm just lost for words. Thanks guys, Justin from Blue Collar Survival. Y'all stay sharp.